Welcome to Island Gem Presents Gypsy Belle Drink Charms. This is part 1 of the Basic Wire Work series. In this video, you will learn how to make charms for that festive season when you're using a lot of the same glasses or cups. It's a great way to differentiate between people's drinks. We will be using chain nose pliers, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers are loop makers, and snippers. Our kit comes with everything cut. We start with 3 3/4 inches of 18 gauge red brass wire. 18 gauge is a reasonable gauge so that it maintains its shape. We're going to use our round nose pliers, and we are going to create a loop at one end. To center this loop, we pivot our pliers back at the base of the connection and give it a little tweak. That way it looks more like a balloon and not a pea. We are then going to angle the loop up and use whatever you have on hand to form it into a circle. You could use dowling, an essential oil bottle, a point of sale tube. We are now going to make a hook that faces towards the loop, and we're going to make sure that it's more of a horizontal profile on that one. And we can adjust the shape of it. This creates quite a sturdy ring. We take the jump ring and attach it to the charm. We open jump rings sideways. This makes it far easier to close them up as tight as possible. Then we're going to take a head pin and one of our beads. Insert the head pin. If the head pins you have too small a head for the hole, you can always add a bead at the bottom to make an adjustment for that. We're going to take our round nose pliers, create a loop about 2 to 3 millimeters above the bead, bend our wire over, and then wrap it around from the loop to the bead. You can either clip it off, or you can make a thicker wire wrap with it. Using the flat nose pliers on the loop, 1 protects the shape of the loop, and 2 allows you a different angle at which you are wire wrapping. With my chain nose pliers on the left, I was pinching and turning, but the pinch was a very gentle one, only to guide the wire tighter. Now we load on a Gypsy Belle, and then our charm, and then another Gypsy Belle, and then our bead, and one last Gypsy Belle. And there you have it. You have Gypsy Belle wine charms. Every set is different. We have created some kits for this. Easy enough to do, makes for a great gift on the fly. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and share and subscribe for more videos like this. Wishing everyone health and happiness for this winter season.